Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find biometrics and security. Here we have to scroll down again and tap on all the security settings, and as you can see here we've got the whole credential storage section, and actually at the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. Here we've got the attention, the info. Actually your device is asking if you really want to remove all the content, and if you want to, just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.